Hello friends, in this video we are going to see this problem, okay? Before going to this problem, this video is sponsored by Genreviews.online. Here you can browse all the most recent electronics gadget product reviews by clicking this Genreviews.online website link. You can buy any mobile or laptop after reading all the genuine product reviews to ensure it worthwhile investment for you. And kindly check this website link in the description. Now we'll see this problem. The question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of this expression, we need to find the value for this equation, okay? So first we need to consider alpha, beta, gamma will be the roots of this expression, okay? X cube minus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. Because if it is 0 only, we can consider alpha, beta, gamma will be the roots, okay? This alpha, beta, gamma can be any value, okay? First, but we don't know that value, right? So we need to consider alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of this equation, okay? First step. So for any cubic equation, this is the cubic expression x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, okay? For any cubic equation, already you know it, I think Vita's formula will give these three expressions, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus a. You need to remember these three, okay? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to b, and the third step is alpha beta gamma equal to minus c. This is given equation, right? X cube minus 7x plus 2. By comparing these two, okay, this is the given, and this will be the general expression. So by comparing these two, we can write it as a equal to, because here no x square, okay? So you can take it as a equal to 0 and b equal to bx, right? Here x value, coefficient of x is minus 7. So b equal to minus 7 and constant value c means constant. So c equal to 2, okay? So by comparing these two expressions, we can write like this. So substitute values in 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, okay? A equal to 0, B equal to minus 7, C equal to 2. We need to substitute these three values in these three expressions. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, A value is 0, right? So 0. I consider this equation as 4, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to, B equal to minus 7, right? So minus 7. Third one is alpha beta gamma equal to, C equal to 2, right? So minus 2. Minus 2, okay? Now we need to find the value for this expression, okay? So alpha plus beta inverse, okay? Then this one. So we need to find it. From equation 4, this is equation 4. From this equation 4, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0, right? So I need to find separate value, okay? That is, I just keep this alpha here in left side and transfer this beta and gamma to the right side, 0. So when we transfer plus beta, after equal to, it will be, change it as minus beta, okay? So plus beta, after equal to, it is minus beta and minus gamma. So 0, here this 2 coefficient is in minus, okay? So I take minus as in common. So minus of beta plus gamma. By solving this, we can get this value. See, minus beta, minus into plus minus gamma. So I take minus as in common. So beta plus gamma. So 0 minus this value is obviously minus of beta plus gamma. So I have found alpha equal to minus beta plus gamma. We need to find beta and gamma also, okay? So I just kept beta in left side and 0 plus alpha after equal to means it will be minus alpha and minus gamma, like that. Okay, so I found alpha, beta, gamma values. Now the expression is alpha plus beta whole inverse plus beta plus gamma whole inverse, like that. So inverse means we can write it as 1 by alpha plus beta. For example, A inverse, A power minus 1 means we can write it as 1 by A, right? So like that we need to write it as 1 by alpha plus beta. Here 1 by beta plus gamma and 1 by gamma plus alpha. Okay, now we need to multiply the whole denominator, okay? That is alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma. I'm taking LCM, okay? LCM, for LCM what we will do, we need to multiply each values in denominator, right? So alpha plus beta and beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha, okay? So after taking LCM value, alpha plus beta already is there in first section. So
remaining of alpha plus beta is beta plus gamma and gamma plus alpha. We need to put it in numerator part, okay, plus. Here beta plus gamma, just hide this one, beta, except beta plus gamma, we need to include these two, alpha plus beta into gamma plus alpha. Plus here gamma plus alpha is there, right? So except gamma plus alpha, we need to take alpha plus beta and beta plus gamma in numerator part, okay. See, first one is beta plus gamma, right? Go to this expression. Beta, where is beta plus gamma? See, beta plus gamma. Alpha value equal to minus of beta plus gamma. But we need only beta plus gamma, right? So, except this minus will be in left side. Minus alpha will be the value for beta plus gamma. So, I have substituted this value minus alpha into like that. Gamma plus alpha means, see here, what is gamma plus alpha? See, minus beta, okay. So just accept this alpha plus gamma, we need to shift this minus into left side, minus beta, okay. So I have substitute from these three values here, okay, in numerator, okay. So substituted, then the denominator will be as it is. Then in numerator, minus into minus plus, so alpha into beta means alpha beta plus. Then here also minus into minus plus, beta and gamma, and minus into minus plus, gamma and alpha, right? So in denominator also I have substituted like alpha plus beta equal to, see here, what is alpha plus beta? Minus gamma. Just substituted like this, minus gamma, and beta plus gamma equal to minus alpha, and gamma plus alpha equal to minus beta, okay? And numerator will be as it is, and denominator minus into minus plus, and plus into minus minus minus, multiply these three, alpha into beta into gamma. I have considered this is as equation 7, and substitute 5 and 6 in equation 7. See, what is 5 and 6? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to minus 7, right? So have substituted this one as minus 7 and divided by minus of alpha beta gamma equal to minus 2. So minus of minus 2 will be minus into minus plus, this will be the answer, okay. Thank you.